On Samal Island, the view often pulls people outward, toward the water, toward the horizon. But for one artist, the focus turns inward. Before the paintings, there was a habit of looking. Galleries, museums, fleeting encounters, images that stayed long after he left the room. Over time, those images found their way onto canvas, drawn from memory, from faces that linger, and from the familiarity of the island itself.
Hi, I am Ninio Sepulveda and I am from Samal Island. I'm an artist, a local artist, and at the same time, I'm a gallerist now. My journey started as a collector actually, and I've been painting for a decade now, and I discovered that I could paint after a friend of mine asked me, "Why do you keep on buying works?" And sabi ko, oo nga, why not? So I tried painting and I really love it, and I've been painting almost every night since then. I already had an eye for beauty, no, so to speak. Because every time I travel, I always go to museums, galleries. It's always about art and beautiful things. And later on, when I had the chance to acquire some works, preferably local artists, di na ako mapakali. And now, it is what it is now. I have my own space to share to the community as well. I would say human figure. It's also random that I see a person, or sometimes online, I see a particular face that I am attracted to. I think this feature is interesting for me. I would paint that. And sometimes I would just save it for later, and still, nasa back of my mind siya na kailangan ko, it's like an itch na kailangan ko siya gawin. You can see it in my works, how I want to experience it. But sometimes, I also paint nature when I see something that will catch my eye. Because I'm surrounded with nature, and it's always about the things that I see daily, no? Or sometimes from childhood memory. There's always time for everything that you love. So, yan lang. As an artist, I paint usually midnight, wala nang istorbo. May personal time mo na, and it's quiet, and yeah, it's also a form of meditation for me. As an artist, until now, I am still learning new styles and knowing myself more each time I do painting. There are also paintings that I do not show in public na akin lang yan, that's only for my eyes. And I also have one favorite, it's actually there in the reception, and I painted that during pandemic time. So siya ang star sa reception. So I titled her Cabin Fever. So she's like inside a room maybe, no? Ang field of roses na sa ubos sa likod, dili siya kagawas. And uncertain siya kasi half lang sa iyang vision iyang makita sa gawas. So mana ako ang interpretation during pandemic time. I titled it Cabin Pressure because that time we are, you know what happened already, and it was my expression of how I felt that time. And it's still there. Someone is interested to buy it, but no, I'm not letting go of that piece because it's special for me. And now, my paintings have been a lot already, and the problem arise. There's no space to hang them. So I decided to create a gallery myself and for myself. And now I've opened the space to local artists as well.
The work kept coming. Eventually, the space couldn't keep up. When Alampat returns, we step inside the place he built to hold it all. Years of curating artworks and discovering his own style, Ninio saw the gap that exists in the art industry, specifically in the place where he came from.
Siguro the challenge that I have encountered is yung art space na wala pa in Samal that time. And even if I hear someone, oh, ma-excite ako, someone is another artist in Samal, pero wala kaming space to show our works. So that's why I created the gallery itself for everyone to exhibit, to showcase their work, and also promote the local artists for that matter. I had so much time already that time, and I happened to know some of the local artists, and then we collaborated, and then nag-usap kami. They've been convincing me actually to open the space to others. Sabi ko, I'm not ready because the space is just for me. It's too little, but I realized later it's good enough space for now for the island local art scene, because there was no museum or art gallery for that matter in the island. So because art also is so important to, I must say, I come from the tourism industry. It's so important. It's a component. It's part of our culture. It mirrors the society's values, no? And tourism cannot function, cannot run without culture. And that yun siguro ang goal ko also, to put up something for the local tourism as well as a point of interest in Samal Island to showcase the works of local artists. Samal also has its own culture, so it features it showcases the identity of Samaleños.
Started for the locals but now open to everyone. By welcoming artists from other places, they ensure the community never stops growing or learning from different voices beyond their own borders.
So this is still inclusive, not really Samal for Samal, but we want a space that is inclusive for all. And the art space is not just for painting, but also we conduct workshops here for young people, the students. So, well, we opened in 2022, and now we have conducted maybe almost 10 art workshops now for high school students. And these are basic painting, acrylic painting, or drawing like that, and also art talks. So we have conducted also for that, for the young people to learn and also appreciate about art. Siguro now ang pinaka-fulfilling thing na ginagawa ko ngayon is mostly community work. I like to help the community, conduct trainings, open the space for the community of artists, build them. Because ang vision ko for Samal is, this is not just for me. It should be for everyone to enjoy and really be open for art appreciation. And there should be a space for artists. For me, para siyang hangin na essential to every community. Kung wala siya, walang mag-mirror ng values ng society, ng ating culture. And for the young artists out there na alangan, hindi pa sure sa gawin or kung mag-pursue ba siya sa art, well, I would say, do it anyway. Gawa ka lang ng work mo and later on, who knows? And it's also important, hindi ka lang pwede gawa ng gawa. You also go out there, network with other fellow artists because they will give you or share you opportunities for you to really learn, at the same time, connect and provide you opportunities to showcase your work.
What started as a personal space has gradually opened its doors, making room for others to share their work and find their footing. In Samal Island, where most stories unfold outdoors, this one lives inside a gallery built from years of practice and a decision to keep going. And for Ninio, the process doesn't really end. It just keeps flowing like the tides around the island, one brushstroke at a time.